So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to our channel Ihra Ayesha. It's me Saleha. So today I came with a new crafty video. Yeah, I know I mostly came with horror video. So today I thought just do something different. So yeah, today I will show you how to make a mini desk calendar. It's very easy and simple, and it took very less time. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's get started. Hope you all guys like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you didn't watch my previous horror videos, I will give you link in description box. Go and watch it. And that's it for today. We will meet in another video. Take care and bye.